This dude thinks he's gonna make it. Oh.
Do you really think that guy thought he was gonna make
I
it?
thought he was gonna do it, but no.
All right, we're here with Ryan Budziak.
What's up?
Yep, there's Pony Boy himself. Got CSX, Manifest. Make sure you wave to him. What? Hey, look how much it's smoking.
It's about to blow up, I think.
It's like the one in my basement.
Right?
Yeah. Hey, now we have to sit through till 7.
Oh, man. Here we go again.
Oh.
I wonder if it's got one on the back.
Possibly, I don't know. Probably not, though. You never know.
My goodness, it's a surprise.
Those are cool. They have the they have the icicles on the top. Icicle decals. Canadian.
Get it up to 7.
Oh, those have the beavers on them. There's another Canadian one. And the beaver.
Yeah.
Freshly painted.